Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you how we fix Huawei Nova 2i that with a shattered screen. So the client brought this to us with a damaged screen that we can't really use the screen anymore because it has sharp edges that is quite unsafe if you want to swipe around the front of the case. And this time we're going to open the back and remove the back cover of the device. We're removing this clip, and then we're going to detach the display cable. So we have a new replacement cable. In Sydney CBD Repair Center, we provide quality replacement materials such as this one for the Huawei Nova 2i. You can really find a lot of these quality screens around, so you can visit us if you want to have your own Nova 2i or other Huawei devices repaired. Here we're going to test it first to confirm if we have a working device, if the screen is working. So we want to be wasting any time repairing it if it's not screen related. So before we assemble it, we have to test it first. So this one is fortunately still working, only a defective screen. So we're going to start disassembling the entire device. So you can DIY this yourself, no problem. Just make sure that you have proper tools and proper technical experience, and if you're really adventurous, you can try this for yourself. But for first timers, you might want to have professional help when repairing your device. First, you have quality replacement screens. Second, you have quality assurance. The repair will be certified by proper technicians. So our technicians in Sydney CBD Repair Center has been doing this for many years now. So you can be assured that the quality of the finish that they provide is excellent. As what you can see, you have very tiny screws and adhesives around the edges of the device to help with the waterproofing. This device is quite a mid-range phone, but to assemble the device, Huawei used adhesives for the edges. So we're going to install now the new LCD screen. So we're just going to reverse engineer it and assemble it back with the proper steps that we took when disassembling it. So this one is going to look brand new, because most of the time you will see your screen at the front and then you won't even see the back. So if you have an older phone that you want to refresh, you can just simply replace the screen. And this one, in the final stages of the assembly, we're going to attach the clips and the screws. Before we finally put the back panel on, we're going to test it. The cameras, you don't want to assemble back the back cover with dirty camera lens, so this one we're going to attach the back panel and the SIM card tray, and then the final two screws at the bottom, and then the final test. So in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we provide you with the best quality repair and proper testing. So just contact us if you need some help in the near future. So thank you guys for watching. This has been Glenn. Till next time guys, cheers!